Hi guys, you're welcome to this particular crash course in digital marketing. My name is Samuel Linus, and in this course, you'll be learning all you need to know about digital marketing, the definitions and the objective of digital marketing, what employers are looking for in a digital marketer, and how you too can as well make money in digital marketing. Now, I'll be covering the different concepts and aspects of digital marketing so that at the end of this course, anyone that wants to get started as a digital marketer will understand the career path and how they can actually get started, right? So fasten your seatbelt and relax as we get started. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and leave a comment in any aspect that you want me to actually cover more, or basically just saying hi in the comment section. So let's get this course started. Let's take a look at the definition of digital marketing. If I want to define digital marketing or explain to someone that is new into this field what exactly digital marketing is, I will say that digital marketing is basically marketing. What you know about marketing, right? You've seen all those marketers sharing handbills, flyers, posters, probably on the street and so on and so forth. They are carrying out the act of marketing, which is simply promoting of products or services and also trying to sell. So that is exactly what digital marketing is. Now the difference now is that you're doing it on the internet, you're doing it online, you're doing it using digital platforms, you're doing it using social media, you're doing it using Google search results, you're doing it using all of these several digital platforms that we have out there. So what is exactly the definition of digital marketing? Digital marketing can be defined as making use of digital medias or digital platforms to promote any products or services. Let's take a look at the three objectives of digital marketing. Now, when it comes to digital marketing, we have three major objectives, despite the fact that digital marketing as a whole has one major objective, which is to sell. Now, that does not necessarily mean that as a digital marketer, anytime you're carrying the act of digital marketing, you want to sell. No. And that is why we have three major objectives in digital marketing. Now, the first objective in digital marketing is to create awareness. Yes, to create awareness, to get people to know about whatsoever thing you want to sell. If you're working for a business, you're working for a brand, or you're working for a new product, right? What you want to do is to first and foremost get people to know that, okay, this product exists, this brand, XYZ brand exists, right? You're creating awareness for your product, you're creating awareness for that particular service, right? So the first major objective of digital marketing is awareness. Now, the second major objective in digital marketing is engagement. So engagement is when you start communicating with your target audience. Who are your target audience? Your target audience are the people that you want to sell to. Now, if I'm selling female clothing, my target audience will be females, right? Not males. So now, in engagement stage, you want to engage with your target audience. You want to communicate with them. You want to get them talking about you. You want to get them talking with you as well, right? So the second objective in digital marketing is engagement. Now let's take a look at the third objective. The third objective in digital marketing is conversion. So conversion is when you actually want your people or your target audience to now buy from you. You want to generate actual sales, right? So now the three major objectives in digital marketing starts from awareness, number one, number two, engagement, and number three, conversion. Now let's take a look at what exactly are employers looking out for in digital marketers. No. So we are going to play a simple role play here, right? So we are going to assume now that you are already a professional digital marketer and you actually want to get a job. So now we will go on our system, we'll go on Google search result, and we'll look out for digital marketing jobs and see what employers are actually looking out for, right? So let's do that. So one thing I love about Google is that once you search for digital marketing jobs, you should be able to see some of these things, right? So once I have my digital marketing job here, let me just click on this particular guys here that is in Lagos, Nigeria, and they're looking for a digital marketing executive. So let's take a look at the job description and see what they're looking out for, right? So they said that this particular job description is saying that lead the planning and execution of digital marketing strategies to promote supermarket services to customers, plan, organize, manage all email campaign, events, social media pages, and relevant creatives, manage online customer acquisition and retention programs, including SEO, email, affiliates, and graphics and social media marketing, interview and recruit new staff on board, responsible for marketing and exceeding marketing revenue targets. So these are some of the things that you're looking out for. Now, in order for us not to base our conclusion over just one particular job, so let's take a look at another digital marketing job right here in Lagos as well, that is open, digital marketing specialist at quick delivery. So let's take a look at some of the things. They said that what should we do? Develop lead generation strategy, including SEO, email marketing, PPC, paid social, organic social, and new marketing channels. Understand and articulate the buyer's journey across all segments. Leverage marketing automation to create multi-segment to drive conversion. Experiment with high impact low-cost digital channels to drive customer acquisition and retention, right? So there's a lot of amazing thing out here that you could do, but we could see some of the things that are actually replaying. We could see stuff like strategy from this particular job description, as well as the first job description. We could see stuff like SEO. We could see stuff like email marketing. We could see stuff like pay-per-click advertising. We could see stuff like organic social and other amazing things right here. Now, coming back from our little experiment, assuming that we are already professional digital marketers and we are looking for opportunity in this digital marketing industry, we could now see that employers are looking for digital marketers that know how to come up with digital marketing strategies. That's number one. Employers are looking for digital marketers that understand search engine optimization, SEO. They are looking for digital marketers that understand pay-per-click advertising. They're looking for digital marketers that understand social media marketing. They are also looking for digital marketers that understand email marketing and lead generation. We could see that inside those job descriptions. So what you want to do after watching this particular video is to go ahead and do your own research yourself, do your own Google search yourself, and assume that you're looking for a digital marketing role and see what is inside the job description and see those things that are reoccurring. By so doing, you will know and what aspect of digital marketing you need to learn and master if you actually want to have a successful career in digital marketing. Now that we understand what employers are looking out for in digital marketers, we want to take a look at the roadmap in digital marketing. When I say roadmap, I'm trying to say that the things that you need to learn step by step as someone that is starting a career in digital marketing, right? So the first thing that you might want to learn as a digital marketer will always be content marketing. Now, content marketing is basically the act of you creating out content and putting out content out there. We're talking about content planning, content strategy, content creation, and content distribution. Now, after you've understood and learned content marketing, you also want to understand social media marketing. Now, social media marketing is basically using social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn to actually promote a service or to promote a particular product. Now, another aspect of digital marketing you want to look out for after social media marketing, you also want to look out for search engine optimization. So you want to learn that too as well. So search engine optimization, a short word for it is called SEO, an abbreviation SEO, search engine optimization, is basically ensuring that a business, a product, or a service is discoverable on Google search results page, right? Not necessarily Google alone, but search result page. But Google is like one of the most popular search result page I will have out there. So when you go on Google search and you search for something, you want that business that you're promoting, you want that product that you're promoting to come out as well whenever people are searching for something related to that particular light. Now, another thing again, after social media marketing and search engine optimization that you want to learn, you also want to learn pay-per-click advertising or social media advertising. In other words, how to run ads both on search engines and how to run ads on social media platform. I'm talking about Facebook ads, I'm talking about Instagram ads, I'm talking about Google ads. And not just only that, you might also want to learn other aspects of ads, how to run ads on platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and other forms of media buying, right? So after you learn how to run ads, another thing again that you want to learn is also email marketing, right? So email marketing, you must have been receiving emails from brands, and you're wondering, a brand that have over 10,000 customers or 100,000 users, how do they send those personalized email like, hi John, hi Peter, hi Jane, and all those things, right? So you also want to learn email marketing. As you're learning email marketing, you will also learn lead generation, right? So once you learn that, the next thing you also want to learn as well will be sales funnel. So sales funnel is how you can actually draft and implement the entire sales funnel from actually creating awareness of a particular product or services to the point where you get people to actually pay for it, to conversion and to sales, how to create sales funnels. So I'm talking about how to create sales pages and all those things like that. So let's go through it again. What are the things that you need to learn as digital marketers, right? Digital marketing roadmap. Number one, you want to learn content marketing. Number two, you want to learn social media marketing. Number three, you want to learn SEO. Number four, you want to learn how to run ads, media buying, ads on in Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and so on and so forth. You want to learn how to run ads. That's number four. Number five, you want to learn email marketing. Number six, you want to learn sales funnel. Now, to top it up, you might also want to learn some form of analytics like Google Analytics that will also help you to analyze your incoming traffic and to know what is happening with your digital campaign generally. We just spoke about the roadmaps in digital marketing. Now, I want us to take a look at the different aspects of digital marketing that one can specialize in. Now, the right word for it is called niche, right? So what niche in digital marketing you might want to specialize in? Of course, you can learn all those things I mentioned previously as a digital marketer, but at the end of the day, you might also choose to specialize in one aspect of digital marketing, right? So digital marketing niches that you should consider, you might consider to become a content creator, right? Or a content marketing expert or a content strategist, right? There is a particular niche in digital marketing like that. You can also become a sales funnel expert, whereby you'll be helping brands and businesses come up with amazing converting sales funnels. You can also become an email marketer, where you'll be helping brands to come up with email marketing campaigns, strategy, and implementing it. You can also be a social media marketing manager, right? You can also be a social media marketing manager. You must have seen people that says that they are social media managers, right? So these are aspects of digital marketing that you can also specialize in. You can also specialize in the aspect of search engine optimization. You can also be an SEO expert. Now, just like the roadmap, you can just focus in one aspect of digital marketing, master it, and build your career around that particular area alone. So that is the point I'm trying to make when I'm talking about digital marketing niche. Now, let's talk about complementary skills. Complementary skills are other little skills that you might also want to learn that will complement your digital marketing skill. Now, I have two skills that I always recommend to digital marketers as complementary skill. Now, the first skill is graphics design. Now, that does not mean that you want to learn the entire aspect of graphics design. No, that does not mean that you want to learn Photoshop or you want to learn how to use Illustrator or any of these advanced graphic designing apps or softwares, right? So now we have easy to use tools like Canva, for example, that you can use as a digital marketer to come up with banners, right? So I will always recommend digital marketers to pick up this skill in Canva design that will enable them to actually create content, right? So let's say as a social media manager, you come up with your content that you'll be sharing on your social media platform, right? One of the things that you also want to do is to also be able to design that particular banner, probably using Canva, and share it. So it's a good complementary skill to pick. Another complementary skill to pick is also know how to design website. Now, I'm not trying to say that you should now start to learn how to code. No. There are other no-code tools like WordPress. I will always recommend WordPress, right? As a digital marketer, you might also want to learn WordPress. With WordPress, you can easily build a website. You can easily design a website without knowledge of coding. You can also easily be able to learn how to execute and design your own sales funnel, come up with sales pages, come up with landing pages that you'll be using in your digital marketing campaign. So these two skills are essential, and they are also complementary skills for any digital marketer. So let's list them again. Number one, graphic designing. My recommendation is to learn Canva. Number two, website designing. And my recommendation will be to learn WordPress. How then can I monetize my skill set as a digital marketer? Now, one thing I always tell people here is that the list is actually endless. Apart from getting a job, there are several ways you could actually monetize your skill set as a digital marketer. Now, one of the first way would be to venture into service providing, right? You can start providing your own personal services as a digital marketer, like running ads for people and charging a certain fee, like handling people's social media account and also charging a certain fee as well. You could also venture into freelancing, right? So freelancing is a way that people make money through short contracts with their contractors, right? So, and there are several freelancing platforms that you could also use, like Fiverr, like Upwork, to offer digital marketing services or gigs. Now, another way you can also make money as a digital marketer without getting a job is also venturing into affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting someone else products or services with the aim to actually get commission on any sales that is made. So let's say as NediEye is right now, and you're helping NediEye to promote one of our services, or you're even selling a NediEye course, right? And each time you make a sale, NediEye gives you a certain percentage. So that is affiliate marketing. Another way you can also make money as a digital marketer is also selling digital products. So what do I mean by digital product? I mean selling stuff like ebooks, right? So you can come up with an ebook and you can start selling it, right? And people will start buying from you. And that is one way you can also make money as a digital marketer. Another way you can make money as a digital marketer is also venturing into e-commerce, right? You can start selling stuff online. It could be mini importation that you're venturing into, or basically just pick something that you're selling online. And with your digital marketing knowledge, you'll be able to sell those stuff and generate a lot of money for yourself. So there are several ways you can monetize your skill set as a digital marketer without getting a job, and you'll be making cool amount of money. That is it, guys. We've been able to conclude the first part of this particular crash course, and I hope that we enjoyed it. We now understand what digital marketing is, what employers are looking for in digital marketers, digital marketing roadmap, niches in digital marketing, and several other stuff that we covered in this particular part 1. Now there will also be a part 2, so expect a part 2. But before that, I want you guys to know that NediEye has an 8-week bootcamp in digital marketing. In this 8 weeks bootcamp, you're going to be having a mentor, someone that you can ask questions, someone that will lead you to the right direction. You'll also be part of a close community where you have accountability partner, someone to actually talk to and keep you accountable to ensure that you are not procrastinating, to ensure that you have a successful digital marketing career. And at the end of the day, you'll be making money as a digital marketer. So if you're taking this particular crash course and you will love to master digital marketing, you will love to start a career in digital marketing, and you want to learn it well, I would really recommend and advise you to take the 8-week online bootcamp. Now, in the description of this particular video, go ahead. There's a link I left there, so ensure that you can actually click on that link and make payments and join this particular 8 weeks online bootcamp. Now, see you guys in the next part of this particular crash course. And don't forget to subscribe to this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and like this particular part 1 as well. So, bye-bye.